a person slouched over a desk, or someone wincing while lifting a heavy box. Think about the last time you felt a tweak in your lower back. Maybe it was while lifting a package off the porch, doing a set of deadlifts, or simply tying your shoes. Every single day, millions of people are unknowingly punishing their spines. We treat our backs like they are made of rubber, bending and twisting under heavy loads. But here is the hard truth. Your spine is not a fishing rod. It's a mast. It is meant to support, not to fold. If you are constantly rounding your lower back during daily movements or gym sessions, you're playing a dangerous game of Russian roulette with your spinal discs. Today, we are changing that. It's time to stop flexing and start bracing. To understand why we need to change, we have to look at what happens when we flex our spine under load. Your lower back, the lumbar spine, is built for stability. When you bend forward from the waist, a movement called spinal flexion, you put immense pressure on the anterior or front part of your spinal discs. This forces the jelly-like center of the disc backward. Over time, or under heavy weight, this leads to bulges, herniations, and severe nerve pain. Think of a jelly donut. If you press down hard on one side, the jelly squeezes out of the other side. That is exactly what you are doing to your spinal discs every time you round your back to pick something up. You are literally squeezing the life out of your spine. So, what's the fix? The answer is a concept called bracing. Many people think protecting the back means sucking in your stomach or pulling your belly button to your spine. This is a mistake. Sucking in actually weakens your spinal support. True bracing is different. Imagine someone is about to punch you right in the stomach. What do? You don't suck it in. You stiffen your entire torso. You push your abdominal wall outward and engage your sides and your lower back. This creates what biomechanists call intra-abdominal pressure, or IAP. It forms a rigid 360-degree cylinder of muscle around your spine. This cylinder absorbs the weight of the world, so your spine doesn't have to. Let's practice the perfect brace right now. Step 1. Place your hands on your waist, just above your hips, with your fingers in front and thumbs in the back. Step 2. Take a deep breath into your belly, not your chest. You should feel your fingers and thumbs being pushed outward. Step 3. Stiffen those muscles as if you are preparing for that punch. Hold that tension while keeping your airway open. You should be able to talk normally while braced. Now that you are braced, how do you move? Instead of bending at your spine, you bend at your hips. This is called the hip hinge. Your hips are designed to handle massive loads. Your lower back is not. When you combine a solid brace with a hip hinge, your spine remains perfectly neutral and completely safe. This isn't just for weightlifters in the gym. This is for everyday life. When you bend down to pick up a laundry basket, brace, don't flex. When you reach into the back seat of your car to grab your bag, brace, don't flex. Even when you are sitting at your desk, don't let your spine collapse into a slouched C shape. Keep that mild, natural tension. By making bracing a habit, you transfer the stress of movement away from your fragile ligaments and discs and onto your powerful core and hip muscles. You stop punishing your spine and start protecting it. Your spine has to last you a lifetime. Every time you choose to brace instead of flex, you are investing in a future free of chronic back pain. Train your core to be a shield. Lock in your posture and move with intent. Stop punishing your spine. Remember the golden rule: brace, don't flex. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more health and movement tips, and share this with someone who needs to save their back. Stay strong and move well.